Said I'ma get into it first.
Alright, now that I'm finished with that,
Said I'ma get into it.
here we go.
Said I'ma get into it first.
This next sequence, I just realized that I was filming up and down vertically instead of horizontally like the rest of the video. My camera's battery died and I was too lazy to go get another battery from the car. So I shot from my phone and I shot this way instead of this way. I know it's not a big deal, but it bothers me a little bit. If that ever happens to you, I'm sure no one really cares. I just had to share that. Anyways, back to the video. Now I'm headed back home. I'm gonna get ready, pick up my son from school, and then hopefully I can get a little training session in before I have to teach my MMA class. I still gotta eat too, I'm a little hungry. So that was about a 5-hour gap there. I had to do some work. Now I'm on my way to pick up my son. I have daddy duties. I gotta take him to gymnastics, feed the little man, and then I'm going to try to get a workout session in before my MMA class tonight. Small window, but there is a window. I just picked up Adriel. We have a small window. He convinced me to buy him a book at the book fair. He's been on top of his homework. He does his homework. He trains, so I had to get him a book. We got him 2 books. Now, our window is smaller. We gotta hurry up, go home, get his gymnastics gear, go eat, go to gymnastics, and do it real quick.
Bye.
Right?
Yeah.
All right.
Say bye.
Bye. We finished gymnastics. Adriel took a boxing class, and now it's my turn. I'm gonna get some bag work in. Lokes. Fresh cut. Yes. There we go. There we go. Yeah, 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 yeah. We're doing some striking this week. My shooting leg is this side. So anyway, I can hide it. Sometimes I'll hide it with cross, push off, cross. As long as it moves off that center line, it's gonna make it difficult for me to get a clean hit. Jab, cross, push off, cross. Cross down, okay? Cross, jab, step, cross, jab, cross. Again, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, step, 1, 2, 3. All right, empty house now. That's it. We made it. Lokes. Yes, sir. Ready to go eat?